inventor Roslina Fiji, the dance creator. Yes, you guys, Licoros has created a dance style and has asked people to follow her dance style to see who will get it rightly. A lot of people have followed the trend already. It's already going on right now as I speak to you. So you're going to be watching some of the videos of the ladies that have tried to do the dance step but haven't gotten it right as it should be. Yes, you're going to be seeing the video very soon. But before we deep deeper into the story, let's talk about her meeting with White Money. Though it was this week, she was just busy, relaxed. And here we have Erica Nluwide, who's making herself up to look beautiful. Another interesting news about Angel Smith. Yes, you guys, Angel Smith has backed a very powerful ambassadorial deal. Yes, with a very great brand where Nengi is. We have Jackie B here. We also have Ozo in this group. We have Tolani Badge, we have the Brighto in this particular group. So as I've mentioned all these names, and with the draw she's wearing, you're supposed to know who she's working with now. Yes, Angel has backed an ambassadorial deal with Jenny's Glow, and we are very happy to present this to you. So Angel has some beautiful things to say to all of us. You guys just listen to her.
I hold nothing back. When I speak my truth. I am generous with my time. I leave without regrets. Learning from my failures. I strive to inspire and lead by example. Once my mind is made up, I dare anyone trying to stop me. Shine your light on love and truth, and your soul will glow.
So super congratulations to you, Angel. Greater heights. We pray for you. A21 doing big things. Congratulations once again. And here we have another interesting news of a man who is eating with his chicken pet. Chicken pet. You guys, just watch the video. For Igbo people, please listen to what the man is saying and explain to us on the comment section, because I do not understand Igbo. Please explain what this man is saying and what the person videoing him was also saying in Igbo. He's eating with his chicken, fowl.
You have to teach me a dance move that I have to do at 12 o'clock.
When do we start?
12, we have to practice now.
Practice now.
Because 12 o'clock.
You gotta get to
12 o'clock. But let me tell you what, girl, I'm not a dancer. You have to remember, I'm not a dancer.
Yes, you guys, Licoros has been a great dancer even while in South Africa. Toke Makinwa asked her to teach her how to dance, of which he taught her this dance step that she's doing now, and after then she learned another one. So she has been very good in her dancing career. You know, she's already in a GGB dance crew where she had her other friend Elali and Ifoma. So while still in South Africa, she invented a dance and said people should follow the dance step to see who would get it right. And as I talk to you guys, a lot of people have keyed into it and have begun to do it. So next you're going to be watching a lady who tried the dance step. She did it well at some point, but at some point she couldn't get it well again. No Licoros now. Just watch the video. And finally on our list now, you guys, we have Cross the Boss, who also joined Licoros in South Africa to join the Play Network team. Although his deal has not been announced yet, I don't know what happened, but we are hoping to get that announcement very soon. So while in South Africa, something happened to Cross. You know, they stayed for over a week. So let me just read out what Cross wrote and what led to what happened like that. You guys just wait for it. So this is what Cross wrote. He said, "So SA, that's South Africa, I got stopped by your police. Apparently, there is a curfew. They took me to their office. So guys, I tell them, say I get South African name called Siyabonga, and my first time in South Africa, and they smiled, and I think they won't let us go. Omo, Japa Japa, my bed they call me. Thanks guys, we free now." So you guys, Cross got arrested in South Africa. I'm just wondering, would make Cross drive out when there is a curfew in a country that you haven't been to before? You know, we like to try things as human beings. You don't just try anything anywhere. Some people will not just take it. South Africa is not Nigeria. They are far, far different. Their laws are very, very stringent, and they cannot just break them for any reason. Be you celebrity or whatever you call yourself, they do not care. Thank God they treated him. So and next time when another person goes to South Africa, you know that you're not in your father's house. You know how to behave yourself. Don't go out when there's coffee, and that's the law for real. And so you guys, Siyabonga must be an interesting name for the police to have smiled after Cross said that. So you guys, my South African families, please do us well by telling us the meaning of Siyabonga. Please help us on the comment section. Please tell us, let everyone know what it means that made the South African police to free Cross after telling them this name. My people, South Africa is very lawful. Cross, don't try it again next time. How will you drive out when there is curfew? You know, you guys, you cannot do that. If you can do the here in Nigeria and they will forgive you, you can't try it in South Africa. I'm sure Cross has learned his lessons. Alrighty guys, this is just what I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like and share this video, and leave your comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.